are you all? Hope everybody are fine and safe. Children, in the previous video, I have given you 10 words and I asked you to write positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, how many have tried? I don't know. But I asked you to, you have to do must and should, you have to complete that words. Today, let us see that words. See. First one, clean, cleaner, cleanest. EREST. Next, close, closer, closest. EREST. Cloudy, cloudier. When the ending word is Y, I have told you many times. IERIEST will come. Same way, we have learned these words in 5th class also. Now, see, Y. IERIEST. Cloud, clouder, cloudest. Next, clumsy, clumsier, clumsiest. IERIEST. Next, coarse, coarser, coarsest. Next, cloud, clouder, cloudiest. EST. Next, crazy, crazier, craziest. Next, creepy, creepier, creepiest. Again Y. That's why we have changed into IERIEST. Next, creamy, creamier, creamiest. If you have written wrong, once check your answers. If you have written wrong, once check your answers. Okay. And children, we have before only we have learned about this story. Listen the story. Listen the story. The friendly Mungisa and answer the following questions. I have explained you about this story. Can you remember? Once I will tell within short words. Once repeat, I'll repeat. You just remember in your mind. Once upon a time, they lived a small family in nearby the forest. Nearby forest, and this man used to cut woods for his daily routine. Cut woods, and he used to go for forest for cutting woods every day. One day he found a mungisa in the forest and he brought to the house and given to his wife. Then immediately his wife told, no, it is the animal, we should not believe that. And finally he make to him her to agree, and she agreed. One day she went out. They are having a small child, and one day she went out. Still that day, the Mungisa used to play with her child and all. One day when she went out, the snake entered to their house. Snake in the forest, snakes are reasonable, no? So at the time only, snake also entered into their house. The Mungisa killed the snake and came out. And immediately the woman came and killed Mungisa. Why? Because by seeing blood, the woman thought that Mungisa killed the snake. Mungisa killed. By seeing that, the woman thought, and the woman killed Mungisa. But after entering into the room, the woman realized that the Mungisa did not kill her child. Mungisa killed the snake. So with this, what did you get? What we have seen is everything won't be true. Yes. Okay, let us in that we are having question and answers. I will explain you 2 question and answers. Okay. See, which character do you like the most in the story and why? Which character do you like? Myself, I like Mungisa character because she saved the child before his death also. That's why I like the character of Mungisa the most in the story because it saved the child. It saved the child from the bite of a snake. In the ending, it even lost his life because of the foolishness of the child's mother. Yes, because of the foolishness of the child's mother, who lost its life, Mungisa. But still on, the Mungisa saved the child from the snake bite. Okay. Next, second question. Do you think the Mungisa would have bited the child? I don't think the Mungisa would have bite the child. Ah, yes. Why? Because still that days onwards, the days which have completed onwards, the Mungisa used to play with the woman's child. Now, why it will bite the child? It does not bite, no? Yes, we have to think. And one more thing, you just don't write this question and answers in notebook. You just write it in your rough book and you just read it. Okay, don't write this question and answers. You have to write only lesson question and answers and meanings in your notebook. Remaining no need to write. I have already asked you to keep one more new notebook for the grammar, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. I have asked you, no? Okay, still now if you did not keep, at least you keep now and pair this. Okay, today's your homework words are these 10 words. Today's your homework words are these 10 words. First, creepy, cruel, clumsy, cruelly, cute, damp, dark, deadly. All these 10 words are your homework words. You just write all these words in your separate grammar notebook very clearly. It will be useful for you anytime. It is very important words. Okay, not important, but when the word comes, if you did not remember immediately, you can search in your book and you can see. Okay, that's why you just try to write. If you are having any doubt, you just call to my number and ask your doubts. Okay, crunchy. See, crispy, crunchy, all these words you have to write in your notebook. Okay, children, be safe at home and complete your homeworks. Don't write today's explain question and answers in your notebook. You just write that question and answers in your book and read that. Okay, be safe at home, children. Bye.